Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Friday said that the government is discussing the traffic congestion issue in the city. Speaking to the media after the meeting, Conrad Sangma said that to decongest Shillong city, the government has taken up this issue by building parking lots in different parts of the city. He also said that they have used more government property to build parking lots such as the one in Barrick Point, Pan Nonglai Park and other places. When all happens, they will have more open space.
And the vehicles which are parked on the road now will be parked in the parking spaces, and we'll get space to also expand the road. For example, we are going to be expanding the road and creating footpaths from Shillong Club all the way going up to the Governor House Junction and all the way going to the Pinewood Junction. So there the land of the forest, the tourism and the forest department, which is Watts Lake, we will take some space from there, extend the boundary wall and create a walking space for the pedestrian so that people have a space to walk out there. So these kind of micro plannings were done on the correct time. We will give you more details about it, but all these were discussed and we have approved all these, not approved, but we have seen the presentation today.
The head of department